second. They go to Almazan, who was scoreless in Game 2. Redeems himself right away here in Game 3.
That's a good sign for Meralco, no? Offensive rebound. Ang hirap ko muna offensive rebound dito, lalo kung nandiyan si Junmar.
Fourth line. Meralco has Banqueros seeing an opening.
Ang ganda ng drive niya, no? Coming off the handoff. Then San Miguel just needs to get into that gap and keep that gap close.
Marcio, 6 to shoot. Junmar down low, na double team. No problem para kay Abay.
Hindi madaling tira yun. Dalawang malaki yung nandun sa harap niya.
Alam mo, pag
Feeds Brondial, hinatak yung handbrake. Nahuli pa rin ni Bates yan.
Great.
What a pass! Banquero to Quinto between two red shirts.
Yes, threading the needle for Chris Banquero.
Grabe naman yung naging angulo to neto ni Chris Banquero. Parang nilagay lang, Coach. Oh, it was HD on any device around the world. Download the Pilipinas Live app via Google Play or the App Store and register right now for free. Pass it third to the corner. It is Jericho.
That's a good swing to the corner.
And that ties the game at 31. The first deadlock since 4-all. Papahiling. Newsom thought about it, drives closer, is bumped by Perez. That's going to be the second personal on CJ.
Counted. Again, IQ play na naman yan.
Tied at 42 as we approach the final minute. Lights it up.
8 points off the bench.
Tuwang-tuwa si Susan at si Alvin yan.
That's 8 points in about 5.5 minutes of play. Banquero.
Pinawi agad.
What an exchange late in the second frame. Papakap ni Mo yan. Tautua powers up. Gets the basket. May kasama pang foul.
Tautua's best game in the series so far. And it's only the third quarter. Early in the fourth.
Newsom with a big finish to tie the game at 66.
There's a foul for them, Panam pushing from behind.
Ganda ng pressure na turned into almost a dunk.
7 points, 10 rebounds para dito kay Abay. Marcio, quick release. He lights it up.
Iba talaga si Marcio pag naiwan mo open, lalo pag nasa kanto. Pwede na ilis na.
CJ down the gut of the defense.
And one. Pero bagsak si CJ, tumama yata yung ulo.
Tumama yata ulo.
Tumama yung ulo.
Ito yung mga lulls, Dr. J.
Newsom from the Cliff Hodge with a stick back.
That happened because Fajardo was late coming down. So Lassiter had to go back to the guy that was shooting.
Lamang na lang.
Quinto puts it up.
Oh, that's a big one.
Wow.
That's a big one.
There's
It's enough. Newsom from the corner.
Plano na yan eh. Nakaplano na yan eh.
Ayun eh. Kaya kinakabahan ako for San Miguel kasi nakasona ulit sila eh.
Tuloy sa kampeonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapisyonado. Ang latag laban.